Ever feel like turning long videos into attention-grabbing short clips takes way more time than it actually should? I've spent the last year testing every generative video and editing tool available, and I can say with confidence that Vizard is the ultimate powerhouse for consistent output. This guide is your shortcut to mastering the platform in under 8 minutes, taking you from basic imports to professional-grade edits. You don't need any fancy design skills to get started, just follow along and you will be cranking out viral-ready content by the end of the day. First, get yourself logged in, sign up for an account, and upload your longest, most content-dense video file to get the ball rolling. The dashboard is incredibly clean, but you really only need to pay attention to 4 key areas: import, edit, schedule, and the calendar. Our main focus for this entire workflow is the core loop of auto-edit, fine-tuning, scheduling, and finally hitting publish. Vizard's true strength lies in taking a 30 to 90-minute episode and breaking it down into dozens of platform-optimized clips with almost zero friction. You have 2 main paths here: letting the AI engine pull the viral moments automatically, or manually guiding it with your own custom markers. Most people stay too vague, but the trick to avoiding generic clips is feeding the engine specific signals using my 5-part strategy. This strategy focuses on subject, intent, energy, context, and the hook, which is just a clean way of determining what makes a short video successful. Subject is about identifying who or which specific segment in your long video deserves to be featured front and center. Intent is simply asking yourself why the clip is valuable, whether it is a joke, a tip, an argument, or a specific reaction. Energy defines the vibe of the clip, whether you want it to be high hype, contemplative, or purely informational for your audience. Context is about ensuring you keep the bits before or after the main moment so that the clip remains coherent. Finally, the hook is your most important asset, representing the opening line or visual that stops people from scrolling past. Stop asking the AI to just find interesting parts and start telling it to highlight a specific advice moment that includes a clear growth hack. That level of specificity is what separates a mediocre, randomly generated clip from a viral-ready piece of content. Let's walk through a practical example where you upload a 60-minute interview and choose the viral clips mode. I recommend setting your clip length between 30 to 60 seconds for short-form platforms to keep the engagement high. Add priority keywords like revenue or retention, and set your energy to high if you want those punchy, fast-paced cuts. Hit generate and wait for the AI to return a batch of suggested clips complete with timestamps and captions. The real magic happens during the refining step, which takes you that final 20% of the way to perfection. Use the editor to trim a fraction of a second from the start so your hook lands immediately without any lag. Always quick scan the auto-generated captions for any minor errors to ensure your text overlays are perfectly accurate. With one single click, you can swap the aspect ratio to perfectly fit vertical, square, or landscape formats for different platforms. Choose a thumbnail frame that pops or upload your own custom image to make your content stand out in a crowded feed. Don't forget to drop in a branded intro or a quick animated overlay to give your clips that professional, polished feel. These small tweaks turn a dry, raw video segment into high engagement content that stops the scroll. You can also stitch multiple moments together to create a highlight reel, which is perfect for recapping workshops or long events. The multi-clip combiner allows you to order segments, apply smooth transitions, and add a consistent color grade to the whole piece. If you want to save even more time, create templates for each specific platform you post to. A TikTok template, for instance, should prioritize vertical safe zones, while a LinkedIn template might use larger text and clean lower thirds. Once you save these templates, applying them to every suggested clip is a massive time saver that ensures a consistent look. Now, let's talk about scheduling, because failing to do this consistently is where most creators drop the ball. Vizard's auto-schedule feature removes the tedious part by automatically posting your clips at the best times for your audience. You can set your desired frequency and preferred posting windows once, and then simply forget about it while the system runs. Treat the content calendar like your central command hub where you can see every single post across your various platforms. You can easily drag and drop clips to change your publishing dates or bulk edit captions if you notice a typo. This workflow is also huge for teams, allowing one person to edit while another handles the copy and scheduling. Always run the auto edit on professional mode if you care about the absolute best image clarity and cleanest cuts. Think of the selection bias slider as your creativity knob. Keep it towards relevance for standard clips or creativity for surprising moments. Don't forget to use negative keywords to exclude filler words like and which keeps your final batch of clips tight. Maintaining consistent lighting and framing in your source videos really helps the AI pick the best looking frames for your thumbnails. For recurring series, try to reuse the same template and thumbnail style to build a recognizable brand your viewers trust. If you need cinematic B-roll that your camera missed, you can integrate external generative tools, but keep them as a secondary step. Vizard's workflow is built around the editing and publishing hub, so using it as your primary tool reduces unnecessary handoff friction. For a podcaster, setting auto-edit to pull funny moments and applying a vertical template is the fastest funnel growth strategy. Educators can record long tutorials and use keywords like how-to generate bite-sized explainers for each major step. SaaS demos work best when you record a product walkthrough and use the multi-clip combiner to create a tight 60-second feature highlight. If you want to scale up, try the batch workflow by importing 4 episodes at once and reviewing one clip from each batch. This scale-first approach keeps your content feed completely full without turning your production into a stressful, full-time job. If you are hungry for more advanced breakdowns on things like thumbnail hacks or caption retention, be sure to subscribe. For now, go upload that long video, Let the AI handle the heavy lifting and spend your saved hours actually growing your channel. I will see you in the next one, and I can't wait to see what you create with these tools.